Matt and Jackson with the Toasty Bros. How well does the camera even pick it up?
Pretty good. It's kind of foggy.
Oh god, no more. No more.
Here, put your talking device on.
Oh, I didn't realize that they were well, I didn't even hear anything I just said probably.
Hey, why is the room? We had a fire, you know, just kind of
But here's
happened.
the thing, guys. We're dedicated. Okay.
Yeah, we're working. There's a fire, but we're gonna keep working. All right.
We're gonna work until this place comes down, baby.
Oh God. Smoke. I don't see any smoke. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, just so you guys are wondering, we got a fog machine.
Yeah, it's a fog machine.
It's putting
that's
out
what it is.
toxic fluids to slowly suffocate us.
This was a bad idea.
You know, we thought, so we got it for 2 reasons. One, we're doing a video soon,
We're doing some
testing the airflow
testing.
of cases, and we got like some really cool equipment for that. Like we spent probably close to $800 just to test airflow versus non-airflow cases. So that'd be really cool. Yeah,
Gigabyte power supplies are here.
And then, so our plan is to basically be able to show directions of airflow, how well or how bad airflow is taken into cases, and the fog is like a great representation of just air. And so that would be pretty cool. And then also we were like, hey, this would make for some really cool B-roll. Like imagine we got the PC up here, we have our RGB lights shining up at it, and then we just fog going across it. I mean, that would look pretty dope.
Good morning, blurry bros. It does look very blurry.
It does. It just looks, yeah. I think eventually it'll go away, but it might be a little bit.
I can't tell you when the fog's gonna go away.
But I'm kind of vibing with it. Halloween's coming up.
It's kind of spooky.
It's a little bit spooky, a little bit scary. I was wondering why these look the exact same. It's just different threads.
CT Star, what's up, man? Guys, could you all do me a favor if you're coming in today? Today is Newegg Now. We love Newegg. Newegg's beautiful. If you guys want to support us, type in !Newegg in the chat. Click that link. Browse around, see what kind of deals they have. You could probably get some of these coolers. You could get power supplies. You could get a lot of different PC hardware from Newegg. So everyone click that link. Even if you're not going to buy anything, just go check out Newegg and give them some love for sponsoring this stream every single Friday. So big thanks to them. We're finishing up this build right now. But yeah, you can get a lot of good stuff from Newegg.
Newegg. Not that far. Here you go.
I think over here.
Pongos my dongles.
Bongles my dollars. Meaning my mic and go on a pee break.
Yeah?
I'm gonna leave my mic on, guys.
You leave it on. Put it in the toilet. Like dip it in the bowl. Dude, did you get my Snapchat the other day of the bidet?
No, you have a bidet?
No, I don't have one. But we went to with Noah and Cindy went to an Indian restaurant, and they had a bidet in the bathroom, and I've never seen one before, so. I turned it on, there's like 5 settings, right? And there's like a little, it's on your right side, there's like a little remote. And so I was like just standing, because I was like, I just peed. So I turned it on, dude, that shit like on one fucking pressure washed the wall. I was just like, what? In case you guys can't tell, we don't have a lot of bidets here. Oh my God, don't do butter on a Pop-Tart. That's like literally just like asking you to die. Doesn't a Pop-Tart already have butter in it? I don't think they do. I mean, maybe in a sense. I mean, they have like the, what's it called? The icing on the inside, and I think icing will typically contain some type of butter. I don't really know that for sure, though. Butt spraying thing is overrated. I don't know if I believe that. I think it's pretty cool. I'll never see this. That sounds like SpongeBob, guys. All right, what would you like to do? Do you want to do motherboard this time, or do you want to do case again?
I'll do the case again.
Okay. I can't believe how quickly, it must have still been kind of warm. Oh, you know what? I bet when it's on, it just stays like on standby.
It's ready to go.
It smells like pancakes here.
God. McAllister, I can barely see you. Where are you, bro?
Kind of a little sweetness about it. McAllister, where are you?
Oh, dude, that's kind of mad. Look. Just look, watch. Yeah. Blow it hard. No, wait a second.
Oh, I see it.
Oh!
You got a bidet?
A bidet?
You recommend, bro?
Did you use the bidet, by the way?
No.
Why wouldn't you use it?
I went pee.
Dude,
just do it.
If you to that strength, do you think you would have given yourself an enema?
Dude, no, that's what I was like, so Noah went in there afterwards, and he just was like, I was scared to go past the one setting, because he's like, I was pretty confident, like, it would break through the wall. Like, dude, there's a spot on the wall where the paint's just gone.
Darko Vader has a $400 one from Costco. That one did great.
Man, good plan that one. See, that looks nice.
They both look so
There
bad.
we go. The build.
RGB.
Whoop, whoop.
I'm trying to get RGB.
Whoop. Can I get like a background check? So there's a guy who says he's been in the Discord for a month and he still hasn't reached the marketplace requirements, and he's saying like no one's listed anything, but he wants to list something. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching the stream today.
Guys.
We'll be back again on Monday for another PC building stream. That's it. All right. Say goodbye.
Peace out, guys.